welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Grace Tutor, and what I do here is solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have better performance in your technical drawing examinations. And right now, and then before I begin to do what I want to do here, if you're a technical drawing student, I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing or engineering drawing students. And then it's very important that you practice this subject. This subject is a practical subject. It requires practice. All right, right now what I want to do with these diagrams that you are viewing, or these orthographic views that you are viewing on this paper, is that I want to show you how you can produce the auxiliary plan of this object whose orthographic views are given. And as we have here, this is the front elevation and this is the plan, and I have produced the auxiliary elevation in the past. You can check for it on my videos on my channel. So I want to produce the auxiliary plan right now. So these are the views. As I said, this is the front elevation and this is the plan. So for us to produce the auxiliary plan, we have to project lines from each point on the given elevation. So what I mean is that we are going to produce a line from this point, 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 also from this point, from this point, and from this point, for us to have the auxiliary plan. So let's go and see how this can be done. All right, so this plane is inclined at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal. So the angle here is 60 degrees. So that's what I'm saying. So what we need to do now is to use our 30 degree set square to produce perpendicular lines to this plane. So that's what we are going to do. So with my 30 degree set square, so I'm going to project a line from this point. So project a line like this. Then from this point, I will project a line. Okay, so from this point here, I will project a line. So I need to move to this side now. So I also need to project a line from here. So let's take it easy. So I project a line from here like this. So from this point here, so I think this will be on the same line. So from this point, so if I project a line from here, okay, so I project a line from here, so I think they're on the same point. So I'm going to take that like that. So I'll pause the video and do the rest, then I will come back and continue from wherever I stopped. So having projected the lines, so the next thing that we are going to do is to bring out the shape of the auxiliary plan. So what we are going to do here first of all is that this is the plan. So I will take a distance from here to here. From here to here, I will take this distance. I'll put at this point here, or I can put it here. So I will mark this like this. So with my 60 degree side of my set square, so I will take this back to, I will take it to the back. Okay, so I will draw this to the back like this. Okay, all right, so the next thing I'm going to do is that, so I will, with my compass, I will take the distance from here to here, distance from here to here, take the distance from here to here. So I'll make an arc at this point here. So now I'll put it here again. So that same distance from here to here is equal to distance from here to here. So that's what I'm doing like this. So I will make an arc here. So and then, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I will project this. So I take this backward like this. So and also I will also take this backward like this. All right, so as I usually do when it comes to auxiliary views, I usually make the isometric view of the object that we are producing is auxiliary views. So this is the isometric view of the object. So what we are trying to do is that we want to produce this shape as an auxiliary view. What happens is that the plane, so the plane upon which we are to produce the auxiliary view is facing this object like this. Look at how my hand is facing like this. So we want to do, this is the plane around here. So we want to produce the auxiliary view here. So what we are going to do next is this. So if you are looking at this object in this direction, as we are looking at the object in this direction, so we are going to see the rectangle. There's a rectangle here which I've shown you here. This is the rectangle. So this rectangle, so we have produced a line from this point, that is this point and this point. So this is the rectangle here. So we are going to make this a rectangle. We are going to make it we are going to make this line thick. So we want to bring it out. Okay, so I will also make this line thick like this. Okay, so that is done. So the next thing is that we have what we have, that we are going to see this rectangle. We are going to see this rectangle here, and if you look at it, it starts from here. This is the starting point. And it ends here. So if I follow this line like this, so this is where it ends. So it doesn't end here. So it ends here. It ended here. We have it here. So this is the end of it. So it is run from here to here. As you can see in the diagram, it is from here to here. So that's why when I want to draw it, I'm going to stop it here and here. So this is the end. So I will draw this line. So from here to here, and also from here to here on this part here. Okay, so this is its end. This is its end here. Okay, so I believe you can see this. All right, so the next thing is that when we are looking at it, we are going to see this rectangle here. We are going to see this rectangle that we have here. We are going to see this rectangle. So for this rectangle, this is its line from here to here. So the line is from here to here. So I'm going to make this line, I'm going to make it thick. Okay, so I will also make this a thick line from here to here. So this line, we are going to make it a thick line. And this line also, make it a thick line. Okay, so looking at this, so the next thing that we have here is that if you are looking at this object in direction, this part is going to be hidden from us, this part will be hidden from us, and this part will be hidden from us. So we have to show that. And also, let's first of all work on the hidden part of it. So this is hidden, this point is hidden. So I'm going to draw this with short dashes line. So this is it. Okay, so this point is also hidden from us. So I will also make this a short dashes line. Okay, so this point is also hidden from us. So I will also make this a short dashes line. All right, so and then so the next thing we have here is that I'm going to see this line here. I'm going to see this line. This same line, we also have it on this part, and this is where we have them at this point. So I'm going to draw this line. So this line is from here to here, and also from here to here. All right, so this is how the auxiliary plan looks. As simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice it, you surely master it. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing and God bless you.